Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's still March, it's still working on cocktails for St. Patty's Day, so we hope you enjoy what we're going to do. Just a quick reminder, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button at the end of the video. That way you can get notifications of all our videos as they come out. So, enough of that commercial stuff. Today we're going to do a twist on a Tom Collins, but we're going to put this into an Irish twist and we're going to make a McCollins. So let's get started pouring. First off, we're going to go into a shaker and we are going to add 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Next, we are going to use 1 ounce of lemon juice. Remember, squeeze it, fresh is best. And then next, we are using 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. Today we're using 2 gingers. A little bit spicy, but you know, aren't all gingers. 2 ounces goes in there. We are now going to take and add some ice into the shaker. Pop the top on it. Give it a good shake to chill it down. We are going to bring over 1 Tom Collins glass filled with nice clear cocktail ice. And we are going to strain into the glass. And finally, top it off with a couple ounces of club soda. And to garnish, we are going to use a little bit of Irish orange, lemon, you can't find white fruit, and a green lime, the colors of the Irish flag. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the McCollins.
Never had one of these.
Never had one of these.
That's really good.
Can I have my McCollins back?
Yes.
Thank you. Remember folks, give it a try. Let us know, subscribe.